welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine. So in the past few months, I have been busy finalizing a school for my 3.5-year-old twins. The process of collecting information from these various websites was time consuming as well as tiring. But I came across a platform called UniApply, and today's video I am going to tell you about UniApply and how it actually helped me finalize a school for my twins. So I hope you find this video useful. So let's start the video. So what is UniApply? UniApply is a one-stop solution for all the parents who are concerned about their kids' admissions. It's a platform where you actually begin with school search and end up getting admissions in the desired school. Now that I have introduced UniApply to you all, let's move on to their website and give you a demo of how UniApply works and what are the various features, how you can explore schools and various other options that they have on their website. So let's move on to the demo. Go to your favorite browser and type www.uniapply.com. Let's click on this link and this will redirect you to the home page of UniApply. Now if you are a first time user, there will be a pop-up that will ask you to either sign in or sign up on the page. Since I have an account, so you see my credentials are visible here on the top right corner. Now on the top left corner over here, you can select the city that you are residing in, and the search results that will appear on the page will be based on the city that you've entered here. So I'm going to choose Delhi and I'm going to show you the features on this page based on the search results for Delhi. Now let's go to the Explore Schools option and see what appears on the page. So what you see in front of you is a list of various schools in Delhi. It's a long list. Now on the left hand side, there are various filters that are available that you can apply to your search and narrow down your search. Now filters like there's class, academic session, the monthly fee range, the admission process, the board like CBSE and ICSE, very important, school format, which district, popular areas, and various other filters that you can choose from. So once you have done this, say you shortlist a few schools and you want to compare between those two schools, you're confused because a lot of these schools are offering various facilities these days and you're not sure what to do. So in such case, you can go to the compare schools option and your shortlisted schools will appear here. You can compare between 3 different schools at the same time, and say you did not shortlist any schools. In that case, you can just select a school here, 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 and then just compare between those 3 schools. So let's just quickly go and shortlist a few schools so that we can do a comparison. So I want to compare the school and this school maybe. So let's go here. Yeah. So you see, you get a comparison list, the ownership, private or private, the board, year of establishment, co-ed status, campus size. Oh, you get all the information available, even the fee structure. You see? Oh, I think this is great. Isn't that very useful? All right. So once you have, say, shortlisted a school, you like few schools and you want to start applying or sending your admission forms to those schools, you can come to the admission tracker and you will be able to see the admission status, the application status that you submitted for those schools under this particular tab. Now, are you waiting for the school to call you back? You can actually track all your submitted applications on your personalized user dashboard. So that's here. You can actually see the school that has shortlisted your application or not, and also what will be the next step for the further application process. You will also be informed through email, SMS once the school will take any action against your application. So you know the form, when was the form submitted, the payment was made, what is the application submitted status. So all of that you will be able to view on the user dashboard page. All the Delhi parents, are you tired of applying to multiple schools one by one? Now you can apply for multiple schools by just filling a common application form on UniApply. Not even this, you can also calculate your points before applying to any school. Keep your common form ready and start applying by 19 December 2021 to 7th January 2022 for schools in Delhi. All you need to do is follow these steps. Log into the www.uniapply.com website, explore the schools, add schools to cart, proceed payment in one go, fill common application form and submit the form. So did you see how simple it is to use UniApply? What are you waiting for? Go visit the website and start exploring the features for yourself. I'm going to provide the link in the description box, so do not forget to check out the description box. I hope you found this video useful. I will come back with more videos. Bye for now.